Hello and welcome to Quilt-In-The-Hoop 101. We are so excited that you are here to learn more about the Hoop Sisters Quilt-In-The-Hoop process and also why we do a lot of the things that we do. We are going to deep dive into some frequently asked questions throughout this course, and you're going to make something really, really beautiful. So I wanted to take a minute today, though, and first of all, welcome you. And second, and maybe the most important is I want to show you how to access your files. So this is a downloadable design. Some of you ordered the starter kit and that will get shipped to you, but I wanted to take you through and show you how to access two important things. First of all, your files so that you can get started in there and you'll be ready on March 22nd. But I also want to show you the overview document that was within your registration as well. And I think it'll be super helpful to answer a lot of questions. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and we're going to get started. Okay. So I am on our website, HoopSisters.com. So if you just go to your web browser and type in HoopSisters.com, it'll take you right here. And if you're receiving this in your email, it means you've already ordered. So this is how you will access your files. You will go and sign into your account. That's in the top right-hand side of the screen. You can probably see my mouse wiggling, and I'm just going to click sign in. You're going to use your email and your password that you would have set up when you created your account. And what's really nice is once you sign in, it's actually going to take you right where you want to go. So it's going to take me to my order history. So the order history will always have your newest orders at the top. And then your older orders, you can scroll down and ultimately you can even page over. But what you're going to need is probably towards the top here. So this, you can see the Quilt-In-The-Hoop 101, that beautiful teal quilt right there. We're just going to click right on your order number. Your order number will be different, but that's okay. You're going to click right on that order number. And then from here, you just need to go one step further. When you see this brown box with the white arrow, that just means download. So we're going to click on that. And once we click there, you're going to have access to the Quilt-In-The-Hoop final folder. It's a zipped file. You just click on that and it'll download to your computer. So wherever your downloads go on your Mac, PC, whatever kind of computer you have, check there, okay? That's going to have all the files that you need to get started with us on March 22nd. It's also going to have the course guides, which is very handy, okay? So that is how you access your files. They will remain there indefinitely in your account, so you will always have access to those. Now I kind of want to just take you through this overview document. This has a lot of really fantastic information in it. This is a great place to start. It's going to take you through an overview of what the course is. It's also going to walk you through how it works. So this document right here will probably answer a lot of your questions, but I want to go through them. Accessing your files. I just showed you how to do that in this video. It's not too terribly hard. So you can always replay this or you can contact us directly and we can help you. Once you do it a couple of times, you'll get the hang of it and it won't be so intimidating. So what's included, you're going to get the live instructions. That's going to be 4 weeks long, and I'll take you through the schedule in just a moment. You're going to have the PDF course guides in that download. And of course, as always, our stuff is multi-formatted. So whatever embroidery machine brand you love and have, you can do this. It also includes 5 and 8 inch block sizes, and you will also have the fabric and thread key all in that zip document, okay? The live instructional videos will be in our Facebook VIP group, but I'm also going to be emailing out the recordings after the fact. So one of the biggest questions we always get, no matter what kind of course or sew along or anything that we offer, is what if I can't watch the videos and how can I replay them? So this is important for a lot of people, especially if you work during the day and things like that. They will remain in our Facebook group, but the videos will also be emailed to you directly. The email will come after the fact. So the live will happen at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, starting March 22nd. It'll be 4 times and all on Wednesdays after that. Okay. So don't panic if you cannot watch the live, it'll be okay. There's 2 resources, 2 places that you will be able to access them after the fact. You can watch them at your own pace. You can rewatch them. So whatever is most convenient for you. So those will be, those won't be in your zipped folder, but we will make sure that you have access to them each week. Okay. There's a list of helpful supplies. Some of those things were in the starter kit if you ordered that, but that information is right there. And then it also includes the live class schedule. Okay. So it'll take you through all 4 classes. We have the dates listed for all 4 classes. And it says in here that they will be at 2 p.m. Eastern. So all 4 of them are going to take place at 2 p.m. Eastern live in our Facebook group. But again, the replays will remain in the Facebook group, and we are recording so that we can email that out to you. So you can check your email or check Facebook whenever you are ready to watch that particular course. So we're going to take you through the back to basics, the stitch and flip class, the all about applique class. And then of course, we got to put it together too, using our trimmer by George, and our joining technique, as well as we're going to cover backing options. So all of that is also in this course overview, which I think is fantastic. There's also some FAQs as well as my contact information. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Myself or Nina can help you. But I hope this was helpful. I hope this gave you kind of that peace of mind to know where to find your files. And also just know that those live course instructions will be sent out to your email as well as available on Facebook. So no worries there. I know that's always a concern in terms of where am I going to find this stuff and how can I access it even after hours. So that will have all that taken care of for you. So if you guys have any questions, reach out. I hope this makes you feel comfortable and excited to get started with us on March 22nd. And we will see you then. At least Sarah and Annie will see you then. They're going to walk you through all of those goodies. So, all right, you all, we'll see you later.